Hi guys, today we're walking through the entire Zara Home Furniture Collection. And here is the best part. Almost everything I'm showing you comes fully assembled, which is such a luxury these days. I will give you my honest take on quality and design as we go. Let's start with the living room. This swivel chair is vintage inspired. I would even say it's a remake of a classic designer piece. I love that the cover is not polyester, it's a cotton linen blend. It's definitely a visual striking piece. It was the first furniture piece I noticed when I entered the shop, and I have to say it's fun too because you can spin in it. This armchair is a clean Scandinavian inspired accent piece made with solid wood legs, linen blend upholstery, and no assembly required either. It feels structured, it's on the firmer side, and you can pair it with the matching footrest for a more complete and comfy look. If you love a minimal aesthetic, this one has the same linen upholstery with a solid wood frame, and it definitely has that CB2 or West Elm vibe, but for half the price. This is the kind of chair that would look great in a corner with the sculptural floor lamp. Here is where Zara Home leans into authentic mid-century modern. The tubular chrome frame and padded leather cushions make this one look like a designer piece. I would even call it a mini dupe for the Valet chair. This one requires assembly, but it's pretty simple, nothing complicated. Online this armchair looks fantastic, but in person I was not a fan. The frame is a solid wood, the cushions are removable and washable, which is a plus, all great features, but it loses its shape and looks worn out quickly. This one looks like it was in somebody's living room for years. Definitely see it in person before you buy it. Surprisingly, bouclé is still going strong in 2025, and this accent chair nails that cozy look. The wood side details keep it from feeling too trendy, so you can keep it for years. I like that it's compact, so it works even in smaller living rooms. You can tell people gravitated towards this one in the store because there are tiny shoe prints everywhere, and I even saw a group of kids jumping on it earlier. It's a foldable armchair that turns into a long lounger, over 2 meters extended, perfect for movie nights or a guest bed solution. The cover is removable and washable, which is a must for light color pieces. This side table is bold and sculptural. Looks more like a functional art. The mix of glossy and matte surfaces give it a designer edge. It's not for minimalists, but it's definitely a conversation starter. This set is one of my favorites. Look at the joinery work, it's beautiful. The corners are softened and the wood feels silky smooth. You get 2 tables that nest together, which is perfect for small spaces. Here you get real marble at under 100 euros, which is rare. Each piece is unique because of the veining, and the slim metal base gives it a delicate, airy feel. This works as a bedside table too. These stools are so nicely shaped. The seat has a little dip that makes them much more comfortable than they look. The finish is matte and warm, which makes them easy to mix into different styles. They also come in black color as well. Simple but beautiful wood chair. This feels like something you'd find in a countryside dining room, but you can easily modernize it with a sleek table. technically a dining chair, but I love this in a bathroom corner or bedroom. These are brilliant for small apartments. Foldable, lightweight, but still look good enough to keep out all the time. The rattan seat and back feel very Parisian cafe. Here we have 3 models of bar stools in a retro industrial style. The swivel is smooth and the height is adjustable, which is always a plus. This is a timeless chair. You cannot go wrong if you buy these chairs. The seagrass weaving feels organic and relaxed, and the frame is sturdy. This is such a practical piece, tall and narrow, so it fits in small kitchens or laundry rooms. The bins are labeled so you can keep things like fruits, onions and towels neatly organized. I would use this for towels, bath products or even magazines. The different shelf heights make it really versatile, and the handle at the top makes it easy to move if you need. It comes in 2 heights as well. This is stunning in person too. The fluted glass hides just enough but still shows silhouettes of what's inside. The shelves are perfectly spaced for towels or storage boxes, and the brass hardware is such a nice touch. Solid oak and beautifully built, the edges are rounded and the drawer slides nicely. This one is slimmer and taller, perfect if you don't have a lot of space next to your bed. The integrated handle cutout is a nice detail. For a moodier bedroom setup, this is your option. 100% oak, clean lines, and a little open storage at the bottom for books or a basket. This is such an old school piece, but I love it. Perfect for hanging your outfit for the next day. The little drawer is handy for watches or cufflinks, and it feels very boutique hotel. You can never have enough stools. A spot to pop on your shoes, an extra surface for a stack of books, or for stacking bath towels in a bathroom. They are chic, and I especially like this stool with bevel edges, but it would also look good as a side table next to your favorite chair. Okay, we have a showstopper here. The desk reminds me of mid-century pieces, but for a fraction of the price. The oak top is framed beautifully and the drawers feel solid. The chair is a great match. Bentwood detail, leather upholstery, and smooth swivel wheels. I would not mind if this was my office setup. And that's the full Zara Home Furniture Collection for 2025. Let me know your favorites below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. I have more decor tours and home inspiration coming soon. Thanks for watching, bye!